Well, hello there, my amazing students. Thank you for being awesome today. For today's assignment, it is Unit 4, Part 3 of Air Force One. We are continuing using our Air Force One story that we went through. We marked the text the first day. The second part, too, we answered all of the short answer. So you're going to use the short answer information and you use part 1 and part 2 and called day 1, day 2. You're going to use that to read the questions and then answer the questions that are on this part 3. You're going to mark the questions using Google Read and Write, strike through the incorrect answers, and then you can take notes on blank paper as needed. When finished, tomorrow you will take the quiz on Canvas over Air Force One using these notes. So take really great notes because they not only will I be grading you on your answers, but your notes, but I will also be grading you on the quiz that you will use this information for the quiz tomorrow. And then you will turn this into Canvas when you are finished. So you'll choose the multiple choice answer you feel best answers the question. Just know it's all about proving and providing proof using the text evidence that will support your answer choices. It is very important that you always look back into the passage to find the text evidence so that you can support your answer. And you always need to ask yourself, can I prove this answer? So for instance, the first one for number 1, I'm going to show you this one. It says the author wrote the selection most likely to. And you're going to say, okay, well, this is author's purpose. And we've been talking about author's purpose. Did the author write this to recount the history of presidential transportation in the United States? Did he write this to describe Air Force One and its role in transporting U.S. presidents? Did he write this to compare various U.S. presidents' attitudes towards Air Force One, or to explain why frequent travel is required in the U.S. presidents? So when you look at author's purpose, you have to use all of the passage, not just one detail. You have to eliminate the wrong answers that cover only a few details. So this plane has a single and very significant function to provide air transport. And that is in paragraph 1. When we go back and look at paragraph 1, it says, the most important aircraft in the United States, this plane has a single and very significant function to provide air transportation for the President of the United States. That is the purpose of this selection, so the author can explain it. So you highlight, you annotate, you go through, like it's describe Air Force One and its role. Its role is the important purpose of this assignment. So you highlight, you go through. Now, notice how I struck out these because I did not want those. So the way that you do a strikeout is you do Alt, Shift, 5. So if I want to strike out something, I know that this is the wrong answer. Alt, Shift, 5. So strike out the wrong answers. You'll have a circle that you'll drag over on your correct answer. Highlight the parts, and then the last part is write the proof sentence. This plane has a single and very significant function to provide air transport. That's my proof sentence, and I got it from paragraph 1. So that's what you're going to go through and do, is provide all of this information you're going to go through and provide all of the information. And I'm going to see if I can't scoot this together just a little bit. The way I'll do this is make it a single line spacing. And that's how you work these. You'll go through and you'll do the same thing. You'll read the questions. You'll look through the question, all the answer choices. Look carefully at the details of the diagram because it's asking you about the diagram. So on this one, you would just highlight diagram. And that's what you need to go back and look, ask yourself, the primary purpose of the Air Force One diagram. Where's the diagram? Well, this is the diagram. You have to ask yourself, what is the diagram showing you? and you go through and you find the correct answer and you circle it, you strike through using Alt-Shift-5, the incorrect answers, and then you have to give the correct answer. Look carefully, give the clues sentence, and then what paragraph or where did you find it. You'll do that for all 10 of these questions. Take your time, answer them carefully. Remember, this is for a quiz, and you will be able to use these notes on your quiz that you take tomorrow. Thank you for being awesome for my sub. Okay, bye.